Yes. Oh, yes. I am in Ghana at present. Yes. For 1 week. Ah, the hotel is a beautiful hotel. It is called Highgate. Huh? You say? You want me to buy you jewelry? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. What is the name again? Gifterium. Okay. No shaky. You know I take care of my girls. I will buy you a big rock. Oh yes, my sweet papa. From here I go to Equatorial Guinea. 2 of my tankers are batting there. Yes. You know the life of an oil tycoon is a difficult one, Abi. Don't worry. I will see you in 2 weeks. Don't worry. We'll make up for lost ground. Jiggy jiggy. Big Daddy, do you want me? Okay. Oba, waiting. I am running according to schedule. You are wasting time. Why are you calling me at $5 billion? You want time today? No wahala now. I'll call you back. Let me talk to my accountant. Oba, kilo mu po mo wa. Awenro mu po mo. Don't worry, we'll sort out this one. Is no problem. Okay. Please come 1 minute. Oh. Do you know this place?
Yes, Gifterium. It's at Osu. Okay. I can show you the place.
Oh, good. Good. Ghana.
You tailed him?
No, I didn't. I got there before they did.